let's do a couple of division questions using our chart and the finder. So the finder is available in the classroom. It's laminated and it works exactly like the one you're going to see on the screen. Okay, so let's start off with something modest. Let's have 4 into 268. And I'm going to construct my little goes into symbol and we're good to go. Okay, so we take it step by step, looking at the numbers that we have. I'm going to change color to make it easy to see. Okay, so now we're going to go 4 into 2, and using my finder, which I've got down here, I'm going to match that up. So you can see I've got my 4, and I've got my goes into symbol, and I'm going to slide it across until I find 2. So here's me doing that. I'm sliding it across, and what do you see? We don't have a 2. Now that's actually a really important bit of information, and what I'm going to ask you to do is to sort of get into the habit of doing this. When you can't find it, I like to say when it won't go, write O, and that's going to become very important for certain questions later on, as you will discover. Okay, so we couldn't do anything with the 2, so now we're going to look for 26. So back to my finder, and I'm going to look across, and well, I don't find 26. So if I can't find the number I'm looking for, what I do is I go to the nearest one that isn't above. 28's no good. The nearest number is 24. 24. And I'm going to write that 24 right there. And now I'm going to look up, and you can see what number I've got. It's 6, and that number also gets written up in the same position. So you kind of imagine it as a kind of L-shaped thing, right? Same kind of deal. Now we are going to do a subtraction. 26 minus 24. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And now the next bit is I bring down the 8. So my next calculation is 4 into 28. So I'm going to use my finder again. I might just rub off my old mess so I can do the next part. So I'm going to grab my finder. I'm going to go across. And what do I see? Oh, there it is. 4 into 28 is the number 28, which is terrific. So I write that number here, and now I look up and I see the number 7, so I write that here, and now I do a subtraction. 28 minus 28 is 0, so my answer is 67. So there's the first kind of question that you can do.